Hi! Welcome to Kusina. Not a culinary expert, I just want to share with you what I've learned in Filipino cuisine to international cuisine. For more recipes, hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we have to brine the meat, and brining is a typical process wherein meat soak in a salt water solution. This is good for lean meat that tends the meat to dry out during cooking. It infuses the meat with several finger-licking flavors. That's why I put some cinnamon bark, bay leaves, star anise, and cloves, and most importantly, the salt. I use coarse salt and table salt, and make sure to dissolve it first in the boiling water. 3 liters of water in a big pot before adding all the spices. This brining solution is good for the meat to be juicier, especially those lean meat that tends to dry out during cooking, like turkey. And now I am using crown roast pork. It's a pork lean meat with part of the ribs in a crown form. It's a 3 kilos, which is 7 pounds. Rule of thumb in baking this, 20 minutes per pound. So 20 minutes times 7, it's 140, and 60 minutes we have in 1 hour, so that is 60 times 2, that is 120, that is 2 hours, and plus 20 minutes, so 2 hours and 20 minutes. But I add an additional 20 minutes for priming. So in doing this, you have to submerge all the meat into the brining solution. So I use a big bowl, which is a salad bowl, and I make sure that it will be fit on my refrigerator. So that's the thing that I use that can fit to my refrigerator. You need to refrigerate this from 12 to 14 hours or until 24 hours if you will cover this. I use cling wrap to cover this. You can see all the spices are at the bottom. And don't forget, for more recipes, hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell. So on the next day, I remove all the cling wrap cover and discard the brining solution. And it will sit before roasting for an hour before roasting. So at this time, you preheat the oven at 464 degrees. I use ELBA, that's why it's 464. That's a normal oven, it's 450 degrees. I roast it for about 20 minutes first in a high temperature. But of course, we have to prepare the marinade. And these are all the herbs that I use. Rosemary, thyme, and what else? Oregano, paprika and smoked paprika, black ground pepper, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. Mix it well, and all these herbs should be incorporated. Don't forget to pour 2 tablespoons of lemon juice at the center of the ribs, the crown ribs, the pork ribs, and pour some rice wine. You can use red wine or white wine. And massage the roast pork, the pork loin or the pork ribs in all sides and top of the pork. Make sure to put some at the center inside of it. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. You can share this to your family feast this coming medianoche on New Year's Eve or birthday or anniversary, or we can get together. But I know as of this time you cannot get together, it's not allowed. Stay safe first. You just enjoy this with your immediate family. And put some aluminum foil on the bones for perfect presentation. It will look like a crown. My other free time is watching Netflix. That's why I was hooked into the TV series The Crown. So this gives me an idea to make and surprise my family a new dish. This is my first time to roast a crown roast pork. And then insert this at the lower rack of your oven. I don't have roast pan, that's why I use improvise, that cake pan and the rack for turbo rack. Then lower the temperature at 329 degrees Fahrenheit and roast it for about 2 hours and 20 minutes. And that's it. It's done. Crown roast pork. Delicious and sumptuous meal to share with your family and friends this coming New Year. Happy holidays! Enjoy eating this crown roast pork. So juicier, yummy, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Stay positive. Happy New Year. Have a strong and healthy body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. God is good all the time. Remember that. Thank you for watching. Have a positive life. And I'll show you the meat inside. It's perfectly done. Bye.